Welcome to the deep dive. So today our mission is pretty focused, highly strategic actually. We're looking at the Avulta pi3 feature commitments. That 12-week plan from the global digital tech teams. Our job is translating that directly into, well, business value for the C-suite. We're zeroing in on strategic alignment, prioritizing the real high-impact stuff across those 5 value streams.
Right, and it's crucial, I think, for anyone not deep in development to understand what PI3 even means, Program Increment 3. It's that 12-week block where all the risks are supposedly mapped, dependencies managed, priorities really honed for speed and financial impact. We're talking about levers that, reduce friction, boost efficiency, and really drive retention across the whole customer journey.
Okay, great context. Let's unpack this then. Starting with loyalty, always the cornerstone, isn't it? How we hook the customer. I noticed a big push on member pricing products for web and mobile. Why is that the top priority right now?
Yeah, it really boils down to growth and just smoothing things out for the customer, especially in, say, the UK market. Delivering that member pricing and, crucially, the ability to add non-member promotions alongside it. That's a big strategic play to get more people signed up. We're essentially using digital tools to grow the physical membership base.
Makes sense. And once they're in, we need to keep them, right? Keep them engaged. I see this emphasis on redesigning the rewards experience, improving how it looks, better guidance in the Club of Volta app. They're even targeting a specific 10% bump in views. That's measurable, which is good. But are we maybe focusing too much on internal stuff, like access, at the cost of the customer view?
But that internal focus is about efficiency gains down the line. Look at the single sign-on, the SSO flow redesign for Emporium Division 10. That makes life easier for employees, yes, but it also supports that huge migration to Club of Volta accounts. It's operational hygiene, really. It frees up valuable development time later. You secure the member first, then you make absolutely sure they don't leave.
Which flows perfectly into shopping then. The goal here, reducing drop-off, scaling up retail. So we're seeing commitments around richer merchandising, smoother checkouts, using UI/UX improvements, A/B testing, to directly, well, tackle those abandonment rates.
Exactly. And if you connect that conversion focus to the operations side, the team's making some pretty critical OMS enhancements. Order management system. Things like enabling intelligent routing for order lines, deciding, okay, should this be picked in-store or from a warehouse? Particularly relevant in the UK. That sounds great, that intelligent routing, but wow, that must be a nightmare to test properly. What's the risk versus the speed gain there?
It definitely sounds complex, no doubt. But the payoff is hopefully faster fulfillment, happier customers. And we should probably mention the compliance piece here too, getting rid of all that bizarre voice code before October 2025. That's a hard deadline.
Absolutely essential. Removing that third-party dependency isn't just about cutting costs or simplifying the tech stack. Fundamentally, it removes a potential bottleneck, a point of failure, right in the critical checkout flow. It's basically technical debt reduction packaged as a feature.
Okay, moving on. Travel and Omni. Seamlessness is the big idea here, right? Tearing down the walls between channels, linking profiles, synchronizing preferences, making it all feel like one experience.
And the tangible thing we get from all that complexity, it's this omni-product wish list, something that works across the Club of Volta app and the website. By giving users that consistency, that unified feel, you boost engagement, sure, but more importantly, you increase the chances of conversion and a higher average spend across both digital fronts.
And speaking of seamless conversion, food and beverage, digitizing convenience. The huge commitment here, the XL project, is that QR code ordering solution that's squarely aimed at boosting sales, increasing average check size.
And getting higher operational throughput, more orders, faster service. Plus, to actually get people into the physical locations, look at the work on the Experiences API, centralizing all the store events data there. That's a strategic move to make sure customers actually know what's happening locally and hopefully show up.
Right, driving footfall.
Yeah.
Okay, finally, entertainment and media. Pure engagement and retention focus here. I quite like the Streaks feature in the Club of Volta app. Building on the success of the in-app games, trying to get people coming back daily. This isn't just fluff though, is it? Boosted retention means lower customer acquisition cost, lower CAC.
Absolutely. Lowering CAC is always key. And thinking more strategically, there's that investigation into ad tech solutions, cross-channel advertising, personalization. That's the Spike feature. It's sort of laying the groundwork for future commercial plays beyond just selling stuff.
So recapping, it feels like PI3 really does balance ambition with practical steps. Dependencies mapped, priorities focused on clear business value. What's the final takeaway here? The bottom line for the C-suite. From all these sometimes quite small, detailed improvements.
It means every little efficiency compounds. Take something like improving the preferred language setting everywhere, SSO, the app, WeChat, mini app. That's not just better UX. It makes the customer profiles in Salesforce more complete, which dramatically improves the accuracy and efficiency of future marketing campaigns. The operational precision we achieve in PI3 is fundamental. It's the foundation. So if PI3 nails this foundation, and with that ad tech spike now explored, well, the real question for the C-suite becomes, are we ready in PI4 to pivot? To shift from being purely an operational engine to potentially becoming a media and advertising revenue stream too?